Hello everyone, it's me, Rooney from Learn Thai with Rooney, and today I'm at a cafe and I'm going to eat breakfast. I'm going to teach you some Thai word that you can learn. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, the first word that I'm going to teach you today is the word breakfast. In Thai we say อาหารเช้าอาหารเช้านะคะ Second word is the word bread. In Thai we say ขนมปังขนมปังนะคะ and the third word is word bacon. In Thai we also say bacon baconนะคะ and the fourth word is the word lettuce. In Thai we say ผักสลัดนะคะ and the last one is scrambled egg. In Thai we say ไข่คน Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ